Hi everyone, this is Ping, and today welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, and today let's take a look on this little tiny DJI OSMO Pocket camera. This is a very tiny device, but it is capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, so it got me very interested. And this is a 3x-axis gimbal stabilization camera. So today let's take a look on this device, and I'm going to share my first impression on this device. So let's get started. Okay, this is the box. So let me quickly open it up. So in the box we got USB Type-C charging wire, and we got two connectors. This one is for Android, USB Type-C connector, and we have lightning port connector for Apple. And here we got case, which is a very good quality. We got a strap, it's a good quality as well. And this is a DJI OSMO Pocket. This one is for connector. So if you want to connect to your phone, you have to put this one, and you have to plug your USB Type-C to your phone, so it will connect to your phone. So in order to do that, you need to download the DJI Memo app. I will show you on the later part. And here we got, this is the LED light, and we got here two buttons. This one is for power off one button, and this one is a multifunction, so it can change the mode as well. And this one is for shooting the video and taking the picture. And on the bottom we have USB Type-C charging port, and on the front we got one mic, and on the bottom we got another mic for noise cancellation. This one is 12 megapixel, and it can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, and it can shoot 1080p, and it can shoot 2.7K as well. So, and it can shoot panorama, slow motion, time lapse, motion lapse. So let me do one thing. Let me show you the settings. So let me power up this one. Yes, so this one is a click button. If you want to take a picture or if you want to record a video, you need to press this one, and this one is power button, and if this one is multifunction. So if you want to change the mode, so it will change to a picture mode, and if you press, and it will change the video mode. And if you double click it, this gimbal will recenter it, and if you click 3 times, it will flip the camera. A very tiny device. This is 1.8-inch LCD display. If you swipe down, there's a setting, and if you swipe right, so you can change the video quality from here. And if you swipe left, there's a setting, and if you swipe left, there's the full frame mode or full screen mode. And if you swipe one more time, there's autofocus, single or continuously. And this is a pro mode, so I've already enabled the pro. Let me enable the pro mode. Okay, and this is a brightness control, so if you tap it, it will change the brightness of the screen. Swipe right, you can see that this one is the gimbal control, tilt lock, FPV mode, and follow mode. And this one is the fast follow and slow follow, and this one is for recenter the gimbal, and this one is for flip the camera. This one is, see, if you swipe right, so see, you can see the preview here. And let me go, okay, let me show you. And this is the exposure, so this is the ISO, so you can control it. If I go to the manual, so this is the shutter speed, and this is the ISO, which is a good thing. So as of now, I'm not going to go deeply regarding about the specification, and also I need to test out this device. And by the way, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can get all the notifications whenever I put my video. So it will be very helpful. If you want to check out this device, I'll put the link on the description so you can check it out. So if you got this device, or if you get something with my description, so I'll get some incentive, so you are helping this channel indirectly, so it will be very helpful. So let me go and take some samples and I'll put it on the screen so guys can enjoy the footage. Okay, and this one is in indoor lighting condition, so you guys can have a knowledge. I think it is doing a great job. And alright, this video clip is from DJI OSMO POCKET, and as of now I did not use any external mic. I'm using the inbuilt mic. As you guys can have knowledge how was the audio quality and how was the video quality as well. So now here's a conclusion. As of now, I did not test it very well, because I just, whatever I take a picture or whatever I take a video, I just take in auto mode at 1080p 30 frames per second. So I need to test out this device, and I have to make more video on this device. So I will try to shoot in a 4K in a manual mode. And by the way, I've already got the expansion kit as well. So this one I will try to go over in the next video. So stay tuned for that. And I will try to come up with another interesting video with a more important content. So please do support this channel. Let me repeat you one more time. Yes, support this channel, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friend. And I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, peace out.